How's it going today? Changing my my light bulbs on my 2015 Chevy Equinox. Yeah, replacing them with some LEDs. The 9005s, H11s. These are 600. I think it's 6000K. Super white. Yeah. See how they do. I never had LEDs. Yeah, pretty simple. Not really. These damn Equinox, you can't do it from the top. It's too much crap. Gotta take off the bumper and all types of things to take this thing out. So you gotta get it under the wheel well. Got a couple clips. I already took them off. I hate these things. Lost my damn prying tool, so yep. And then it's got two T15s. Come on, focus. Yeah, two T15s. Take that out. There you go. Yeah. For some reason, these damn cars made it damn near impossible. I think they could have done something more simpler up here. But made it real hard for a guy to change the damn lights. So yeah, once you do that, you loosen it up. Damn, you need to watch this car. Something like that, I don't know. And they're gonna be up there somewhere. One more clip. Maybe it does, I don't even know. Yeah. Got one more clip up there. And it had one right there, but for some reason, when I pull up to the any parking spot, either it's too damn high, or just pull up too high, and then I scrape my front bumper, so the whole thing is loose. Yeah, that's where the stuff is at right there. Got one right there, then the other one is on the other side, I think. Maybe they're all right there. Let me see. I don't know if I can get my hand in there. Oh yeah. Like I said, rip my damn glove. It did not make it easy for a fellow or anybody who wants to change these damn headlights out. I ain't taking off the wheel. I think you turn it counterclockwise, comes off one spin. Same thing with the headlights. Got a little clip. Oh yeah. That's it. It's one. I believe it's the same one. Just LED. Just to give you an example, that's how the old ones look. You know, yellow. Took this one out. Okay, that's the low beam, high beam. So now let's replace the high beam. I mean the low beam. Man, this thing sucks. Oh yeah, come on. Boom. Snap right in. Holds right in there, like I said. Counterclockwise to take off. I think it's one turn or half a turn. And you put it in like this. Boom. And you're in. Just like that. Whew. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah. See the difference, way better. Yup. 100 times better. See the brightness and everything. They don't match my Land Rover now. I got well, I bought it. It had LEDs already, so they look pretty nice. Better than the regular yellow old school factory ones. So now let me change the other one. Oh yeah. This one's a little bit deeper. Wait, it's on the other side. You can see it right there. So let's get the cap back on this one. Oh, yeah. Come on. There you go. Oh man. That other one. It's gonna be hard. Pretty narrow up in here. It's way back there. Just on the other side of this windshield washer reservoir. Oh yeah. Yeah, same thing. Way up in there. Counterclockwise to take them off. Same thing with the light bulb. This is gonna be hard. Oh yeah. And that's your high beam. Replacing it with a little nubby. Oh yeah. Yes, like I said, I bought these and it doesn't really say which one's a high beam, but you know, once you take it out, you know which one's which. Low beam, high beam. I see it with the little rubber grommets, or yeah, the little seals that it has. They give away. Oh yeah. See if I can get this one in there. It's gonna be pretty tough. Ah, yeah. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Damn it. Doesn't want to go in. Can't see it. Can't see it. Come on. Yeah, this back one's a little bit tougher. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, yeah. Sucks. I don't even know I'm in the right place. Oh, yeah. Oh, wasn't in the right place. Push it in. Quarter turn. And it's done. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this thing sucks. Yeah, this thing, make sure this thing's in the bottom, because it just sucks. Oh, yeah. Shove it back in there. Damn it. Okay. There you go. Man, I tell you, make it in there impossible for, somebody ain't willing to do the work. Destroy my glove. So once you do all that, replace everything. Shove everything back where it goes. I'm gonna give myself another clip right there. Just go down, or I forgot how the shit goes. I think that's how. Damn. Yeah, got some salt dust in my mouth. Nasty. Oh yeah. I'm just hand tying it right now. Should have washed the car before I did this. That was nasty. They said LED from regular bulbs to LEDs. Good change, man. Let's check it out now. That's your regular. It's your high beam. Oh yeah. Way better. Like I said, do the same thing for the other side. It's a pain. They didn't make it easier for nobody to change these damn things. But yeah, that's how you do it. Change them out. Alrighty.